Hello students, welcome back. In this session we are going to discuss question and answers based on everything I need to know I learned in the forest, and I have covered in this session 1 mark questions, 4 marks as well as 6 marks. The pattern from this lesson will be 1 mark question for 1 question for 1 mark and 1 question for 4 marks. So total you will be getting 5 marks from this lesson. If not this pattern, 1 question for 1 mark or 1 question for 6 marks. So total 7 marks will be the next pattern from this lesson. So if not 5, 7. If not 7, 5 marks you will be getting from this lesson. So let's go ahead with the 1 mark questions. The first question, where did Vandana Shiva's ecological journey start? Answer, forests of Himalaya. Second question, what was Vandana Shiva's parents' occupation? Answer is, father was a forest conservator and mother was a farmer. Then third question, from where did Vandana Shiva's ecological journey started? Or from where did Vandana Shiva learn about ecology? The answer is Himalayan forests and ecosystem. Then we have the fourth question. Mention hobbies of Vandana Shiva's mother. The answer is composing songs and poems about trees, forest and India's forest civilization. Then we have fifth question. Name the moment in which Vandana Shiva completely involved. And the answer is Chipko moment. Then we have the sixth question. What was the Chipko moment? Chipko moment meaning is a non-violent response to the large-scale deforestation that was taking place in the Himalayan region. Let us see the seventh question. Vandana Shiva belongs to which region, or which region does Vandana Shiva belong to? The answer is Garhwal region of Himalaya. Then we have eighth question. In which year women had come out in defense of the forests? The answer is in 1970s. Ninth question. What were the results of logging? The answer is logging had led to landslides, floods, scarcity of water, fodder and fuel. 10th question. What women know about the real value of forests? The answer is women knew real value of forests was not the timber from a dead tree but the springs and streams, food for their cattle and fuel for their hearths. We have 11th question. Where did Vandana Shiva go to complete her PhD? The answer is Canada. Now we have 12th question. How did Vandana Shiva spend her vacation? Answer, by doing Padyatras. Padyatras meaning walking pilgrimages, documenting the forestation and the work of the forest activists and spreading the message of Chipko. Let us see the 13th question. By whom and where resistance took place? By Bachini Devi, resistance movement took place in the village of Advani in 1977. Let's have the 14th question. What did women held up when officials arrived at the forests? Women held lanterns. Answer is lantern. Next question, 15th one. What did Vandana Shiva learn from the Chipko movement? Vandana Shiva learnt from Chipko movement is biodiversity and biodiversity based living economies. We have 16th question. Which book did Vandana Shiva write? Or name the book written by Vandana Shiva. Answer is Monocultures of the Mind. Let's see the next 17th question. What is Navadhanya moment? Navadhanya is a moment for biodiversity conservation and organic farming. 18th question. Where and when was Navadhanya farm started? In the Doon Valley, lower elevation Himalayan region of Uttarakhand province in 1994. It started. 19th question. How many varieties of rice, wheat, and other species are being grown by Vandana Shiva's farm? The answer: wheat 150, rice 630, and hundreds of other species are being grown by Vandana Shiva's farm. Let's have 20th question. Which country has recognized the rights of nature in its constitution? And the answer is Ecuador. 21 or 21st question. In which year Navadhanya movement started and by whom? Navadhanya started in 1987 by Vandana Shiva. Next we have, actually it is 22nd question, by mistaken and repeated here 21 question as the same thing. So we are reading 22nd question. Which country has initiated the Universal Declaration of Mother Earth? And the answer is Bolivia. Let's have the 22nd question. And the 22nd question is, name the prominent South African environmentalist. And the answer, Cormac Cullinan. He is one of the well-known African environmentalist. 23rd one. According to the lesson, who is the father of modern science? And the answer, Francis Bacon. 24th question. What does the Earth University teach? The Earth University teaches Earth democracy. Next we have 25th question. What is Earth democracy? It means freedom for all species to evolve within the web of life. 26th. Where is Earth University located? At Navadhanya. Next question. Name the two most popular courses at Navadhanya. Answer is A to Z of organic farming and agroecology and Gandhi and globalization. In which year did Shanti Niketan become a university? Shanti Niketan became a university in 1921. 28th question. What has helped the intellectual evolution of man according to Tagore? The answer is the peace of the forest. Now, in the next slide, you see the question and answers of 4 marks from the same lesson, everything I need to know I learnt in the forest. As you can see here, the two questions, the way of asking question is different, but the answer remain same. Since it is going to be 4 marks and quite lengthy, I'm not going to read the answer. I want you to have a pen and paper handy and see the questions and make down a note in your notebook because answers are quite lengthy, right? So let's see the next question and the answers. As you can see here, Chipko moment or the different ways of questions I have given. What does the idea of Earth University convey? Or what does Earth University teach, discuss? Or in what way Earth University is different? Explain. You can see the answer here. You can pause the video for a while and write in your notebook. Let's go ahead with the 6 marks from the same lesson. You can see the question here. What is the impact of dead earth worldview on nature? And this is the answer. And the second one, different ways of asking questions. Around 6 questions I given to you, and you can see the answer on the next page. Alright, if you have any questions or queries, comment me in the below section. Thank you for watching. If you like it, share and subscribe. Thank you once again.